Welcome back. Let's have to solve the problem. See, the solution contains 30 gram of sugar dissolved in 370 gram of water. Calculate the concentration of this solution. Now first we are going to write what will be our solute. Mass of solute is equal to 30 gram, that is nothing but a sugar, and mass of solvent is equal to 370 gram. Okay, what is the concentration of solution we are finding? What is the formula? Mass of solute upon mass of solution multiplied by 100. Okay, but we don't know the value of this mass of solution. What is the formula of this? The formula for this is mass of solution is equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. Is it okay? So first we are going to find out the mass of the solution, then we can able to find out the concentration of solution. Okay, so what is the mass of the solute? It is given here 30 plus 370, 30 grams, 370 grams, because see that sugarine is a solid state, so it is given in grams. It becomes 400 grams. So what will be your mass of solution is 400 gram. Now put the directly, I am putting the values here in this formula. Concentration of solution is equal to, your mass of solute is 30 and mass of solution is 400 gram, multiply by 100. Now see, as per the rule, this 0 become cancel and 30 upon 4. If we start to divide from the denominator to numerator, we will get the answer 7.5%, and this 7.5% is the concentration of the solution. Is it clear? So in this way you can solve and you can find out the solution or find out the concentration of the given solution. Is it clear? One homework example I will write here, so you solve that question. But it should be in a very proper way when you are writing in your book. One example I will write for you, just wait. Everybody understood about this, might be, because it's so simple. Homework question. Okay, if 220 gram of copper sulfate is present in 660 gram of solution, find out the concentration of the given solution. Is it clear? So write down in a very proper way with the proper formula, with the proper values, everything you write down and rewrite this question. Is it clear? So we are going to start next session in the next topic. See you after a short break.